Let me show you how to easily turn any image into a perfect circle using Canva's frame tools. Start by adding your image to the canvas. This can be either an uploaded photo or one from Canva's library. Resize and position it. Now go to the Elements tab and search for frames. Look through the options until you find the circular frame shapes. Click on your preferred circle frame to add it to your design. Now, simply drag your image and drop it directly onto the circular frame. The image will automatically crop to fit the round shape. For perfect positioning, double-click the image inside the frame to fine-tune what appears in the circle. Move the image around until you're happy with the composition, then click Done. Your square image is now beautifully circular, ready for profiles, logos, or creative designs. Thanks for watching.